Hi queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Nia and today's video is going to be a Shein phone case haul. I kind of went a little bit crazy because I have some issues, but I want to preface this video and just say a lot of these I'm giving away as gifts. I'm gonna keep for stocking stuffers, you know what I mean? These are not all for me. Some of them are for me, of course, but some of them I'm giving away as gifts. So I just want you to know not every single one of these is mine, is for me. That would be intense and crazy. So anyway, let's just hop right into the video because this has been so extra. I just want to show you guys the phone case because I'm super excited. So I have the 12, my camera is smashed on my phone by the way, but I have the 12 Pro Max, the big one, and I bought there's more, a million phone cases, okay? A million phone cases. Not all of these are gonna fit my phone because, like I said before, they're not all for me. So I'll show you them, but I can't put them on my phone. I don't think they'll fit. But anyway, I bought a whole bunch. The first case, I'm super excited. I haven't opened any of these, you guys. The first case is this one. Can you guys see it? It is so cute. Are you kidding me? It has all these little smiley faces on it, and it's this neutral phone case. It's a little I don't know, it's not quite silicone-y, but it's not a sturdy phone case, but it's nice. It has a little sturdiness to it. Let me see. That is so cute. You have to be kidding me. That is so cute. I'm sorry. You have to pretend like you're taking a picture. Oh my goodness, this is a 10 out of 10. This is gonna be a quick haul because I'm about to run through these because there's not really much to talk about. If there's something for me to say, I'll say it, but this is really cute. I love the neutral colors, and I'm really trying to be able to change my phone case because I just get a phone case and I just leave it, but then it becomes so boring and broken and just gross. So I really want to try to be cute, have a cute phone case, you know, the vibes. I've never been that girl, but I'm about to be that girl. So this one is a win. Are you kidding? Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. I wanted to get something super weird off Shein, and this was a neutral version of the weird one. It has all, you know, those little kids toys. I nanny, and I see kids have these all the time. They're the little pop-it things. So I saw this on there. I was what the heck? They have that as a phone case, but I loved the colors of it. So I was okay, let me try this. Okay, this one's really thick. And it smells so bad, yuck. Because it has to have room for the bubbling on the back part of it, so you can pop it in. But how do you pop them back out? You have to literally pop your phone case out. I don't know. This is not practical. It's not even that cute. I guess for a little picture it's cute, but it's very uncomfortable in the hands because it's so much room back here, so you can pop it. I loved the colors of it, but it smells terrible and it does not fit the phone well at all. But if you're into it, you're into it. Okay, next we have this little funky green marbly color. If you watched my Shein shirt haul, this would definitely remind you of my little my brown shirt, but green version. It doesn't have the design on the side. It's just a clear little bumper on the side, which is a little bit sad. It looks a little cheap, but it's still kind of cute. It's definitely cute, but it does look a little cheap. It looks you know, when we were going through that phase where we would do that thing with our nails, marble nail polish, watercolor marble nail polish. You drop the nail polish in, you swirl it, and then you stick your finger in there and it wraps it. Am I tweaking, or you guys know what I mean? Was that just me who was trying to do that, Googling that on the internet and trying to do it? Or was that you too? That's what that looks like. It looks like that wrapped kind of nail thing. Next, okay, cute. Just a basic pink one is next. You can never go wrong with a pink phone case. And this one seems a little bit sturdier, honestly. This is just a plasticky little phone case, kind of bendy, silicone-y. Not silicone-y, I don't know how to explain it, but it's nice. This one feels really high quality. Oh yeah, and it's super cute. Fits on the phone amazingly, and it's just perfect. It's perfect. This is like probably my favorite one so far, honestly. This is so me. Just basic pink, like that's so me. I'm obsessed. This one I'm actually really excited for because I've never seen anything like this before. It has like a little like camera cover and it has this little like carrying handle, and I thought it was kind of cute, but feeling it, guys, it's like very cheap. The thing like falls off. Oh yeah, it already came off. Okay, so that's broken. This one I'm obsessed with. Obsessed, obsessed, obsessed. This one is like that square. I've always wanted a phone case like this, but I never like pulled the trigger. But this is like one of those square boxy ones, and it's just a plain white basic phone case material. Are you kidding me? This is everything, you guys. This is everything, and it comes in like a whole bunch of different colors. You guys, this is literally everything. Are you kidding me? I'm obsessed with that. This case is so cute, you guys. This is so chic. This is just like everything. This is such a me moment. Wow, love that. I'm obsessed. Okay. This one is a just like kind of like sheer green case. I thought this was cute because of the color, and I'm super into greens right now. This is giving me kind of like such a good phone case for a boy. Like, look at that, like a nice foresty green color. It feels like the side, this one feels like such high quality, you guys. The sides are frosted. The sides are like a frosted material, and then the back is that like just shiny typical phone case material. And this feels like very high quality, and the camera is frosted as well. This feels like, I don't know, like iPhone quality. This is very simple, very chic, very cute. Love the green, giving me fall vibes. Okay, this one is actually, I bought a bunch for my boyfriend. This is just a simple, he has the 11 Pro Max, and this is just like a simple tan one. I don't think I can fit that on my phone. Doesn't fit, but this is the tan 11 Pro Max one, and it's just like nice, soft, matte kind of color. And I got him a bunch of like basic color, just, you know, basic ones he can switch up and have stuff, because we're both like that. Like, we get a phone case and we just stick with the phone case for the rest of our lives. We don't change it at all. I got him some so he can change it up. Okay, next is this little brown one. It's so cute. It has like this little like, I don't know, like almost a braiding material around the edge. And it's just very sleek. It's a soft matte material. It's very soft, feels really nice quality. I accidentally bought two of these, so I for sure am giving one to somebody else. Oh, and it's this chocolate. This is literally perfect. This is so good, so simple, like just literally the best ever. I am so obsessed with this, you guys. I'm so obsessed. For fall, are you kidding me? You have to I always have to picture myself with it in a mirror selfie, or it didn't happen. It just doesn't count. Anyway, this is it. It's so nice. Are you kidding me? This is like the best one. I think I've said that a couple times, but these are really, really nice, you guys. Here is another white one. This is just like a simple, like silicone, like really thin silicone white one. As you can tell, it's like literally just like a very basic white phone case. I usually stay away from white, so I don't know why I bought a couple white ones, because, oh, that doesn't fit my phone. This does not fit. It says that it fits my phone, and it like kind of fits the camera, but if you see around the top, it's like not like flush. It's like bubbling around the top. It's not flush, so that's sus. It doesn't fit. It like is like way too tight for my phone, and it's a really thin material anyway. I definitely can still use this and give it to somebody, but I think this might work better for the 11 if it has the same camera holes. I'm not sure, but it like doesn't fit my phone very well, so we'll see. Okay. Next, you guys, I got this little green one with a cute little, this feels like such high quality. Are you kidding me? This is great quality. This is like just a little pop of green. Lime green, clear. It has like a thick bumper around the camera, and it just is like really sturdy, like not squishy, can't bend. Looks amazing. Oh, so this one is a two-parter. You put it onto your phone first, onto the front of your phone like this. So you put the green part on first, just like a little bumper moment, and then you put your phone into the little silicone moment so that it fits over. Sorry, I'm not really showing you, but it's like kind of difficult. This one is like crazy high quality. Like this is like, feels like drop proof. I think it's, some of them said like something like that. Like I don't know how true that is because it's $1, but like they said something about like drop proof. This one is like mad sturdy, like hit yourself in the head, it's a brick. Like you're gonna freaking pass out if you hit yourself in the head with that. What am I even saying? What's going on? It's late at night, you guys. That's why I look like a little bit crazy. My makeup is like thrown on, hair thrown on, like everything thrown on. So I am like dead tired, just got off a 10-hour shift. I'm just barely getting by. But this phone case is like really sturdy, you guys, and it's so cute. Sometimes these big ones, like the buttons be hard as heck trying to click the button. You're like, bruh, click fam, click. Like why is it not clicking? So this one is really nice, and I like that it's a two-parter. It makes my phone feel more secure. Here is another little like just sleek brown one. This is see-through. Again, it has the frosted edges. I think this is the same as the green one. Frosted edges, frosted camera, and then just sheer little back. I was a fan of the green one. This one, I'm also such a fan of this. It's just plain, simple, sleek, like, I don't know, just gives me like put together, she's a grown-up vibes, you know? Like grown-ups always have, like, I'm a grown-up, you guys, I'm 22 years old, I'm a grown-up, but grown-ups, you know, real grown-ups, they be having like sleek phone cases. They're just business, they just mean business. That's what this makes me feel like. And you guys, it's such high quality. Like, oh, Shein, you're really doing it with the high quality. They're really doing it with the high quality. Here is another little sheer green one. As you can tell, I'm super into green. It doesn't have the frosted edges, but it's just like sheer green. Oh, this one feels really nice. Very sturdy, very fall, or like even like Christmassy vibes, you guys. Are you serious? I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with that. Very sturdy. It's on there like for real on there. Buttons, easy to press. Very just sleek and cute. Oh, amazing. I'm obsessed. Okay, this is the last one that I have for my phone that's going to be able to fit on my phone. This one is a little bit funky, you guys. This is not really my style, but I kind of thought it was cute. Like, it just kind of like got me. This one is a little like matte green matcha color with this little like carrying handle of like daisies on it. And like, this is so not me, but it was so cute and so girly. And I was like, oh, somebody's gonna love this. I don't know, maybe my brother's girlfriend will like it. I don't know if she has an iPhone or what, but it has like, look, like you can like hold it like this. While you're using it, you can hold it like this. You can carry it like this. Like, it's like a little purse for your phone. How cute is that, you guys? Like, I don't know. It's just so cute. It's so cute. But like, this is like not really practical though. I'm sure this will snatch off your phone in like 2 seconds, but it's like, hello. And I'm right-handed. I feel like it's the opposite. Like, it doesn't work. It works better for your left hand than your right hand, but it's just like, hello. Hi, sorry, I'm just holding onto the phone with my little phone chain. Sorry, it's my phone chain. Oh, you're hearing a rattling? It's my phone chain, sorry. I can't stand myself. Oh my goodness. So next, I'm not gonna take this one out of the package. This is the one that I got from my boyfriend. It's just a plain black one. I'll probably give some of these to my brother as well, but this is just like, oh, did I say black? This is green, girl. It's just a plain green one. It's like a foresty green. This is sleek, dude. Plain black one, like a matte black one. Really, really nice. I wish I got one for me, just a plain black one, but whatever. And then I'm so dumb. I don't know why I got these ones with the freaking phone cover, because the other one just broke off, but this one just has like a little like slider. It's a matte black one again. but it has a little slider for your phone camera, which I thought would be like cute, you know, to have, but it just falls off. It's such low quality, and like, what was I expecting for $1? Like, I don't know, the world, like literally me. I'm like, it's $1, and then I'm like wanting it to do everything I've ever needed anything to do. I'm like, yes, please do it all for me. Meanwhile, being $1, and then when it disappoints, I'm like, okay. Sitting there shocked, like, why did that happen? Why did it fall apart? Why would it do that? And it's like, girl, it was $1, and I'm like, yeah, but like, why did it do that? Okay. Last one I got for him, it's just this plain, like, again, has the frosted sides, kind of like the green and brown one that I showed you from my phone, has like the frosted sides and then like the clear middle part. Just a good basic phone case. Alright, you guys, that is the end of my little phone case haul. I know, super quick, super simple haul, ran right through it, but like, this is kind of boring. I don't know, it's not clothes. I can't sit and talk about it for like 30 minutes and like tell you every detail about it. It's like just a phone case. I'll just show it to you, you see if you like it, tell you if it's good or not, and you say yeah, no, you know? Oh, and I also forgot to say thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I know that I have a little tiny baby channel, but you guys, so many people have subscribed, and by so many people I mean like 30 or so, but like every single one of you guys, I literally am obsessed. Like, I feel like you guys are like my little best friends, and I'm just so excited. I am obsessed with you guys, and thank you so much for taking the time out of your life to just subscribe to my channel and watch my videos and hang out with me, even though I'm a little bit annoying. Like, you just you guys are just making me so happy, so thank you so much. Honestly, like, it's crazy that even like one person would want to watch my videos. So the fact that we almost have 300 of you guys, because it's like, you guys literally 300 people want to like literally click to subscribe so that they could see me more often. Like, what? Are we friends? You guys, are we friends? Are we friends? I feel like we're friends. Anyway, you guys, I'm here with my favorite one, the chocolate one. It is my favorite. I love it. It's so sleek. It's such high quality. And honestly, she impressed me. I'm really impressed. Other than the one that freaking broke in 2 seconds. And honestly, all the gimmicky ones, like the gimmicky ones that I ordered were gimmicky. Like, I don't know who I thought I was fooling for $1. I'm like, oh, that's so cool. But like, it really was just a gimmick. All the plain and like sleek, simple ones that I ordered turned out to be like amazing quality, beautiful, like very, very amazing. And yeah, you guys, that's literally it. I'm so excited to give these to people because it's gonna be so cute. Like, look at this cute little phone case I got you. I'm so happy with my phone cases, and they were only $1. Or like $1.50 or $2 maximum, something like that. But anyway, you guys, I am obsessed, and I hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video.